In this video, we're going to look at the territory planning and management functionality in Fullcast. Fullcast allows you to leverage current CRM data to model segments and territories, ensure equitability, assign coverage, execute this in your CRM, and manage the whole thing on an ongoing basis. We'll look at each element of Fullcast functionality that empowers you to do each piece of this territory planning and management process. When you land in the Territories module, here in the Accounts tab, you have a grid of data. This is exactly the data that is currently in your CRM. You can bring in the fields you need to view and use in your go-to-market planning. Let's move on to looking at segments and territories. Here on the left, you have the structure of your go-to-market broken down first by global regions and then by company size segments. Eventually, we get down to the actual rep level patches. All of this segmentation and territory structure is created leveraging that up-to-date CRM data and our rules engines to define. Let's take a quick look at 3 of the rules engines we provide in Fullcast. At the highest level of our go-to-market in this example, we've used a geographic rule to break the world down into regions. Our map tools make it easy to allocate countries, states, cities, or even zip codes to regions or territories. Next up, we've used a bucket rule to create enterprise, mid-market, and SMB segments according to employee count. If we wanted to add criteria to that, such as revenue figures, we'd use this criteria builder to do so. The last rule we'll highlight is the SMART plan. This is most commonly used to carve equitable and balanced patches at the rep level. You simply tell the system how many territories to create and what criteria to balance them on, and it produces the territories for you. In all of the rule types, you'll be asked how to address corporate families as well as named accounts, which is an important element of any mature go-to-market strategy. Now let's take a look at how Fullcast allows you to keep a pulse on the balance of your territories. Right within your territory structure here, we make it easy to see the key metrics that matter. As we drill down through the hierarchy, the metrics refresh. The same thing happens over here in the balancer chart, which gives you a way to easily view the balance of your territories. The next thing we're going to talk about is assigning coverage. As you assign various team members to territories, you can easily view all of these assignments in Fullcast. Not only can you do current territory assignments, but you can leverage our to be hired, to be replaced, and to be transferred assignment types, as well as ramp profiles that directly connect to our targets modules. Additionally, you'll note that the assignments all have start and end dates, which is essential to enabling you to audit the assignment history, as well as future and end date assignments to facilitate transitions. Practically speaking, executing your territory and coverage models is a matter of running an export to Salesforce. We have a lot of sophistication in how you can schedule and arrange your jobs to best meet the needs of your business. Once you've deployed a plan, your market will continue to change. Whether you need to easily view account changes or model and adjust shifts to territories and coverage, Fullcast is your home base for running all of this in one place. On top of that, as you model changes, you can use the current proposed and difference views to easily understand and visualize those impacts. Territory planning is a complex activity, but Fullcast makes it easy to handle all of that complexity into one place. Check out our other videos to learn more about the platform.